Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M8 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with the customization, and after that I'll show you much faster access to this feature. So let's begin by opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find display and brightness. Then let's scroll down and go to reading mode, and this is the name of the eye comfort mode in this device. So let's tap on it and tap on the switcher at the top next to the reading mode to turn it on. Here we've got two different modes, the cycle one and classic. I would like to omit the cycle one because it is automatic, so we cannot really customize it, and I wanted to focus on customization. So let me choose the classic one, just mark it. I hope that you can see that the screen turns yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. So here we can tap on this arrow here. We can tap on this arrow to enter more customization options, and here we've got the color temperature switcher. By going to the left we can make it cooler, and by going to the right warmer. So of course set it on the intensity which you like the most and which is the most comfortable for you. Let me go to the colder one for a specific reason. Here under it we've got the texture. Right now it is turned off, but after going to the right we can turn it on and obviously set the intensity of this feature also. And the texture basically, I'm not sure if you can see that, but the background is quite noisy now. So so this device will have this paper-like texture in the background. I believe and I can imagine that it could be helpful if you're reading books or reading a lot of articles on the screen. I'm not sure. I'm not the biggest fan of that feature, but obviously it's up to you. If you like it, then just leave it turned on. I will turn it off. Here we've got also the colors, which is quite nice option. We've got three different modes. We've got full colors, which is right now applied. So even though the colors are affected by the night light, I mean this whole feature, they are still vibrant. Maybe we can see that here on the icons, right? They are vibrant, they are light, and they are full, right? If we will set it for light colors, you can see it on this switcher that the colors are a little bit dull or washed out. You can also see that on the icons. And black and white, so obviously everything will be displayed in a black and white manner, which I believe it could be quite useful if you're trying to limit the time you're spending on the screen. I mean, it's not really that attractive when it is black and white. I'm not sure how to say it, but I hope that you can understand what I mean. Of course we can restore defaults to the defaults, obviously. Alright, and here after getting back we've got also the schedule option. Let's turn it on. Basically we've got two options here. Custom period, so we can choose the start and the end time, and your device will apply the mode accordingly. As you can see, it was applied because we've got 5 o'clock now and it should start at 5, so it works. And we've got also good night's read, which is the automatic option. Your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are, and it is location based, so it's up to you whether you want to use it or not. I would like to turn off the schedule completely. Alright, finally we've done it. So now much faster access to this feature. All you have to do is to unroll the top bar and just try to find it in this section. I'm not sure whether it is here or not, so just tap on edit. And now we've got the labels also, and the eye comfort mode is not here, so we have to add it manually. Let's scroll down to those system toggles and try to find reading mode, which is right here. So just tap on this plus icon, it will be immediately transferred to this top section. So tap on the stick icon to confirm that, and as you can see we've got it here. So all we have to do is to tap on it to either turn it on or turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.